In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country in Microsoft Store. If you need to see different pricing, access apps available in another region, or simply update your device to match your current location, this is a quick setting you can change directly in Windows. The good news is that you do not need to adjust anything inside the Microsoft Store itself. Instead, the change happens through your system settings, and once it's updated, the store will reflect that new region. To begin, open your Windows settings. The fastest way to do that is by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. This shortcut takes you straight into the main settings area. Once you're in settings, go to the regions section. If you're using Windows 11, click Time and Language in the left sidebar and then choose Language and Region. If you're on Windows 10, click Time and Language, then select Region from the menu on the left. The wording is slightly different depending on your version of Windows, but both paths lead you to the same kind of setting. Now look for the Country or Region drop-down menu. Click it and select the country you want to switch to from the list. Make sure you choose the correct location, since this setting affects how the Microsoft Store displays regional content, including prices and app availability. After you've selected the new country, close the Microsoft Store completely if it's already open. This part is important because the store may not refresh the region change while it's still running. Once it's closed, open the Microsoft Store again. When it relaunches, the prices and available apps should update to match the country you selected. And that's all it takes to change the country in Microsoft Store.